guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki. I'm just filming a quick intro into the studio vlog because I have not been able to just kind of like hold the camera and go this week. I've gotten a lot of new things, as well as had to really restock on a lot of my boxes, packaging supplies, as well as getting new inventory in and putting that away. So with that, plus the influx of orders, which I'm very grateful and thankful about, I wasn't able to just kind of hold the camera and show you step by step about how I do things. So it's gonna be a lot of snippets of me coming in like this, and kind of introducing what the next thing might be, and then showing you the clip of me doing that. So again, I'm very sorry. I don't know if you guys even prefer that or just kind of like not even me at all and you just want to see it all in action. I'm not sure. So today's video is going to be over the span of the last about week and a half. I've really kind of invested into new products, into new inventory, as well as things that I feel like are gonna help my business grow or make things more efficient for me, because it is mainly just me doing all this. Sometimes I do have my boyfriend help me. He'll either stamp boxes for me or he'll take in my orders to the post office, which is super nice. But other than that, it's me making the earrings, deciding what to do, marketing, the website and everything. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna get right into it. Yeah. Thank you so much. See you guys soon. Thank you. Bye. So we've got the new Cricut here. And then also in this box, I have the shirt as well as the vinyl. The shirt and the vinyl for the order for my cousin. So I'm gonna set up my camera right now and let's see. As you can tell, I've plugged it in. I got an extension cord running that way. We're just gonna turn this on. Oh wait, let me make sure there's nothing. Okay, good. There's no plastic that I left. We're gonna turn it on and wait for it to heat up. Yay. Oh, so for this one, I don't have the mat. Oh no. Hey guys, so actually as I was editing this video, I realized that I lost the clip that actually shows you the finished product of the t-shirt that I made my cousin, but I can insert a little picture right here of what the design ended up looking like. My other cousins and I created it together. She showed me a couple like inspo photos, and we just literally sat there on Procreate and on Cricut Design Space and actually designed how she wanted the fonts, how she wanted the A to be the Avengers sign, and Thor's hammer to be the T, so it was really cool. So I'm so sorry that I lost that. I'm so sorry that I'm squinting my eyes. It's so bright out here, but the lighting inside is not very good right now. But I just received some of my inventory in the mail today, so I'm gonna be showing you how I like to restock. It is a little bit of an ASMR video, so I think you guys are really gonna like it. And on to the package. So yeah, so this is my setup. This is how I do my earrings every single day. I have quite a few items that I didn't want to put away yet because they are sterling silver, simply because I want to store them in a different area. These are like things that I grab immediately, all the time, every day, all the time, every day. Whereas these, you know, I just want to keep them as backups or just keep them out of like the air, just everything, you know, just store your jewelry, you know. And so yeah, so I got quite a few of these still left that I didn't want to put away. I ordered a lot of these because the last time I was with that manufacturer, they did sell out, and they don't ever tell you, or not, they don't ever, but at this moment, they don't tell you right now. I can't even speak. Okay, I'll try to turn off the vacuum without having to touch it. Here we are. Okay, so I try to sort these, hold on. I try to sort these all out. These are, actually they're not really sorted right now as I'm looking at them. Hold on. Okay, that's better. Okay, so I try to sort these. Okay, hold on. Oh, these I can put away for you. Do you think I can do it one-handed since I don't have to touch them? Hold on, I can do it. Oh my god, this was a fail. Why am I trying to do this one-handed? Okay, so anyway, so these are my gold-filled sterling silver, solid gold. Well, these ones are actually Swarovski crystal right there, so that's really nice. And then these are all sterling silver, and then a lot of sterling silver pieces as well. And then these are my normal everyday kind of 14 karat gold plated items, as well as just silver plated items. So I really try to keep these all kind of separated. The other day I actually did drop these. I keep them in this little like area right here. What is that? A little fluff. I do keep them in this little area, and so the other day I did kind of pull this out of the hinges. Now I've got the locks on it, but before I didn't, because I was switching out all the drawers. And so, okay, hold on. Oh my god. Unattended for 1 minute. What's going on? It wasn't that bad because I do know like quantities and stuff on what I had of the solid gold or what I had of the sterling silver. This is eyeliner, by the way. So it wasn't that bad because I do know my inventory, but it was kind of just annoying. So yeah, so that is my setup. I like to use, oops, this is my setup right here. Little tour. Hello, hello. I think I do like 10 outfit changes in this entire video, so I'm so sorry. This is over the span of the last like week and a half. So we went to IKEA. And so I was super happy. I wanted to get a new desk. My desk was amazing. It really held up in the last few years. However, it just became too small. I have a pretty large screen, like a pretty large desktop. So it was taking up a lot of space. And then I also had my paper cutter and things like that. So I wanted to get a bigger desk, and I wanted to get it a little bit taller too, so I could fit storage units underneath it, and I can just kind of slide them out and make it easier when I'm packing orders. So because IKEA, because of Corona, I guess everybody's going to IKEA because everybody now has to work from home. So everything is out of stock. You can order online, but they actually charge you $49 just to deliver it. And that doesn't even include any installation or anything. And then you have to like, our store is back ordered for like almost a month. So I'd rather just go and try to see what's in stock, see what's in the as is section. And so while we were there, there weren't that many desks, at least not what I was looking for, not the colors or like the sizes or anything. And so I ended up going with a table. And what we did was we actually got a table that has an extender on it. The extender you don't see in this video because I just wanted to set up how the table was gonna look. The table took like quite a few hours because it was so big, and we wanted to really make sure that we weren't gonna mess it up. Because you know, since you're installing IKEA furniture like yourself, it's very easy to mess it up, as we know. So we took forever and then we did end up setting up the table. And so I think it looks really good. We ended up keeping the other desk actually, and my boyfriend is now gonna use it. So we just put it on the end of one side of the table so that I can still extend my side and then he can have his. So yeah, so here are the clips of us setting up the table. I'm so sorry that the lighting is not very good. It's we're doing it at night. By the time we were finished setting it up, you can see the sun goes down and it's nighttime, so meh. Anyway, thanks guys, enjoy. Hello guys, and I'm going to finish this video with a packing with me video, I'm gonna finish this video with packing with me. So I wanna show you how this specific night I ended up packing these orders. I had a couple orders that 2 customers had ordered quite a few pairs of earrings, so about 3 or 4 each, which was amazing. Thank you so much. So this was me deciding, you know what, I'm gonna pack them tonight so that I don't have to worry about it the next morning. So I'm folding boxes and packing earrings, and I'm so sorry that my shoulder keeps getting in the way. And then you know what, you can also hear my vacuum throughout this entire video. So I'm so sorry about that. I thought that it was quiet enough. I think I'm even wearing my AirPods. So I thought that you really couldn't hear anything, but I found out during editing that that is not true. You can hear absolutely everything, so I'm so sorry. So next time, no video, no vacuum, no nothing, not even for a second. So I'm so sorry about that. And also let me know if you like this kind of like where I'm talking for a little bit and then kind of a little bit of ASMR with a little bit of music, or if you just prefer I'm talking throughout the whole thing. I feel like when I have videos that I'm talking throughout the whole thing, it's really hard to edit. And I don't think it's very enjoyable to watch, because who wants to listen to me talk all day? Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. Okay, bye. guys, so we just wanted to say thank you so much for watching our video. We really appreciate all the support that you guys give us, and by us I mean me, my boyfriend, and mostly my dog. This is Theo. He looks crazy. He just woke up from a nap. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the support and love that you've given my channel as well as my business. I am so thankful to be doing what I love every single day, and thank you so much. I really appreciate it. The link in my Etsy and my website are down below. They are basically the same thing, so you can order from whichever one that you want. I know that people sometimes prefer to do Etsy because to them it can kind of seem more like legitimate or more like professional, I should say. However, it's still me doing the orders. I run my business through Shopify, so I get orders instantly on my phone, and then they're packed and shipped with usually the same day. Especially when it's on my website, those orders go out same day. So yeah, just wanted to say thank you so much for all your support and love, and comment what you want to see on your next video if you have any questions or anything like that. I really appreciate it, and we love you guys. Sorry that everything's so messy. Oh, please, come say goodbye. Oh, thank you, baby. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye there.
Very strange that you haven't done anything to try to get them home. No, but all that stuff is up to Odin and the gods on the side. I mean, what am I supposed to do? You could at least have sacrificed some slaves. Try to be a little resourceful. Sacrifice? No, I don't think that's a good idea. And all that screaming and...
Thank you, good boy. Hi, you. Titi just woke up from a nap. High five. Can you high five me? High five. High five. Aw, thank you, Daddy. I love you. I love you.